How does the minimum speed controller works? The minimum speed controller is a phase controller for one exhaust fan. You can post two settings on two knobs, temperature, and minimum speed setting. The temperature range is from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The minimum speed setting from off position jumps to 20%, and is variable up to 100% speed. On the temperature setting knob you set the desired temperature, for example 24 degrees Celsius. On the second knob you set the minimum speed which should never be undercut during the regulation, for example we set this on 20%. The hysteresis is a fixed value of 2 degrees Celsius. The hysteresis is the controlling range of the fan speed. In this 2 degrees Celsius the fan speed will change from the lowest point given from the minimum speed setting, to the highest point of the regulation 100% of the fan speed depending on the temperature. As long as the measured temperature on the probe is below 24 degrees Celsius, the minimum speed controller keeps your fan working on 20% speed, which comes from the minimum speed setting. When the temperature rise and exceed the 24 degrees Celsius, the fan speed starts to increase according to the temperature in the next 2 degrees Celsius. Up to 100% fan speed till 26 degrees Celsius. Now as higher the fan speed is, and more fresh and cold air is circulating in the room, the measured temperature will decrease again and the fan will slow down. We call this auto-balancing of the airflow according to the temperature. The minimum speed setting is the strongest setting and always overdrives the temperature setting. If you set the minimum speed setting on off position, the fan will stop working when the measured temperature is below the set temperature. The minimum speed setting have a 20% infinitely start-up peak to give enough power to the fan to run on low speed.